So now on our old USD, by the way, before you actually get started, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as I will be doing a video on how to analyze and trade professionally on your USD pair, your CAD pair, New Zealand pair, even your Nasdaq 100, your S&P 500, even your gold. I'll be doing it and I'll be uploading. So try and watch out in 9 hours time. I'll be uploading a video on how to trade your gold professionally. So try and watch that video. It will help you in trading gold if you are interested in trading your gold. So try and watch the video. Subscribe. In 9 hours time I will upload it. Now on our AUDUSD, as you can see on the daily time standpoint, you can see that our price has actually rejected here. We've also highlighted here again as a resistance area where our price would be pushing. And guess what? Our price was actually to push up. We actually saw this push up. We got this retracement, right? And I'm seeing here as our price fell again to hit this our low here. I believe that our price fell down to take out a lot of traders that have aimed to go long. Do you know why? Is that we all know how the big banks trade and everything, but one thing for the week is that our odd will actually be going bullish against our USD. Definitely, that I'm saying and I'm on it. Our odd would go bullish against our USD. For now, I'm seeing a price manipulation whereby a lot of long traders who are going long are actually being taken out. Their stop loss be taken out. That is exactly what I can see here, but definitely we are still going bullish on our odd against our USD. If you can go back to watch my DXY video that I've done, you see how I predicted that our USD itself will be falling. So any pair relating to our USD should actually be seeing a bullish move. As you can see on our USD card here, if you analyze it daily time frame, correlation pair, if you are to analyze it, our USD to fall on against our card, our pound to our USD, you would see our pound would go bullish against our USD. Our euro would actually go bullish against our USD, and now we are seeing a price in an indication that our odd will be going against, will go bullish against our USD. So aim for that our USD will actually go bullish. Let's try to take out this our previous highs here. That should be giving us about 150 plus pips to grab if you have to take your buy position now. So that is at least a good opportunity, and try and set up your stop loss at about 60 to 70 or 80 pips. Your stop loss at 80 pips and your take profits at 150 plus pips to grab for the week. So our AUDUSD is actually bullish. Now on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see the same price action we are waiting to watch. Our price will take out this our previous highs. First of all, we'll try and take out this our highs here. We'll see a retracement. That's exactly what our price will be playing for the week. See a retracement, a pullback, and a bullish move to take out this previous highs for the week. So our odd against our USD is actually bullish. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it helpful.